Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to group elements in an array based on a specified function or property. This technique is handy for tasks like categorizing, organizing data, and more. Let's dive in. The goal is to take an array of elements and group them into categories based on a function or property. For instance, given an array of numbers, we can group them by their integer parts using the method_flow function. This function uses two main operations: map to generate keys based on the provided function or property, and reduce to group the elements into an object. The keys are generated dynamically and values are collected into arrays under their respective keys. The process begins with the map to generate group keys. These keys are used by reduce to build the final object by accumulating elements into the respective groups. In this example, grouping numbers by the integer parts using method_flow creates groups like 6 with the arrays of 6.1, 6.3, 4 with the array of 4.2. Similarly, grouping strings by the lengths groups words like 1 and 2 together. This solution uses modern ES6 features like arrow functions for cleaner syntax, and array methods like map and reduce to efficiently transform and process data. This approach is widely used in scenarios like categorizing products on e-commerce platforms, grouping data for visualization in analytics, and organizing search results dynamically. In summary, this program provides a flexible and efficient way to group array elements based on the functions or properties. It is adaptable to a variety of use cases, from data processing to web applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.